How's it going, everyone? Day 15 of backtesting every day for 2025. We're jumping back to the equities market. We have the stock A. Oh, how's it going, everyone? Day 15 of backtesting every day for 2025. We are jumping back into the equities market. We're going to have the ticker ARIS. Simply just chose it off the list of the tickers. I'm going to create a 5-minute trend following type of strategy for this particular episode. So let's jump right in. We have the Bollinger Bands. I found this template. It's going to be a Bollinger Band and a Keltner Channel squeeze off. So whenever the Bollinger Band is greater than the Keltner, both bands, both upper and, so I found this template in the Trendspider application. We have when the entry criteria is when the Bollinger Band, the upper band, is greater than the Keltner upper band, and when the bottom Bollinger Band is lower than the bottom of the Keltner band. That's going to initiate a long position. We're going to do this on 5-minute chart, and I added one more filter to lessen the amount of trades, and the price just has to be above the 20 weighted moving average. Take profit, I'm set it at 4%. Stop loss is at 2% from price. So let's see what we got here. And over 12 months of data analyzed, we are getting 162% net performance, which is, wow, great. 43% win rate out of 188 positions. That equals to about a trade a day, 29 entries per month. Max drawdown is 22%. Average win is 4.1%, as I said there. Almost at a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, which is really good. Max losing streak is 6 losses. Max win streak, 6 wins. So let's look at the chart and see what a proper entry would look like here. So I'm going to zoom in here. All right, we're going to zoom in on this entry taken on January 15th this year. Entry at 27.93. So we got the blue, for example, we got the blue bigger band, that's your Bollinger. Your yellow band is your Keltner. And then we got the pink line, which is the 20 EMA or WMA. And you can see we have a close above the Bollinger Band here. And we're going to target 4% from the entry price. And that hits right there. And then following, we got another entry because price is still above, the Bollinger Band is still above the Keltner Band. Right, and then we have the Bollinger Band lower, still below the lower band of the Keltner, and so that triggers another entry. And this one stopped out 2%. You got this long wick here. The trend doesn't sustain its position up. Here's another entry here where the Bollinger Band is wider than the Keltner Band, and that suffers for another loss as well. And that is just a different sample of this is just one type of entry going long, obviously, on the stock market. Let's look at the equity curve here. I mean, you can see here a good balance of wins and losses. Like I mentioned earlier, the win rate is lower than the losing rate. So you're going to see lots of chop outs, but when the market does trend, we're able to catch it. And you just got to prepare your portfolio to have these type of drawdowns if you will be trading this type of strategy. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.